investigate. The beauty about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies is that because they are decentralized and they work on a peer-to-peer mechanism, like you mentioned, Justin, I can send money to you and you'll get it within seconds. Really, within seconds, you're going to get it. It will clear but after 10 minutes or so, and you'll be able to spend it. And it costs a fraction of what sending money regularly. And I knew that when people finally realized, hold on, okay, here's a way that I can interact with money and possibly make money at the same time. Because of that whole supply and demand thing, and because Bitcoin, the number of Bitcoin is finite, the price just keeps on going up. It's completely the opposite of what normal currencies do. And it works how currencies are supposed to work. But there's a whole bunch of things that prevent currencies from working this way. Currencies are supposed to appreciate in value over time, like gold did. And but they don't, because today what you can buy for $5, in 2 years' time, you're not going to be able to buy the same stuff with $5 because the dollar loses value. Bitcoin, however, not only keeps its value, it just keeps on growing and growing and growing. And I realized that when people get that and when people understand it, it's going to take over the world. And I wanted to try and reach out and get the message across to people. I was out in the Philippines working on a project when I came up with this concept of starting a company that would educate people on Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. And that's really where the idea of iCoin Pro was born. It went through a couple of changes, and then yes, to the point where not even 10 weeks ago, we launched iCoin Pro, and within a space of 10 weeks, we've accumulated nearly 12,000 members of people from all across the world, from many different countries, that have all jumped on the bandwagon because they see the value and they want to learn about cryptocurrencies, they want to learn about Bitcoin, they want to learn how to invest, and more importantly, they want to learn how to make money trading micro profit system that you wrote, Justin.
Well, thank you, Paul. Yes, and that has been an awesome collaborative effort. What's exciting for me, and why I was so happy to partner with you on this project, is that you mentioned when you were talking about that, like as a newbie myself, at first it can seem like, oh wow, this is kind of like complicated or whatever, and particularly even a year ago or 2 years ago, it was something that was kind of reserved for those elite, kind of brainiac people, and they were getting their NVIDIA graphics cards, and they were like flying off the shelves, and they were like doing this mining and all this crap, and it's like the average person could not do it. But now what's happening is Bitcoin cryptocurrencies are going mainstream, and as part of that, like the whole world of apps and support structure and interfaces and ways that you can buy cryptocurrencies and trade cryptocurrencies, and everything that's happening is being brought down to the average person's level. It's being made user friendly is really what's happening. And so it's so brilliant that you decided to start this program now, because the one thing that is missing is that bridge from the average person who knows nothing about cryptocurrencies through to buying their first Bitcoin, through to understanding some of the basics, through to sending their first Bitcoin, doing transactions, learning how to use it, and taking those baby steps that lead a person all the way up to where they're trading, lending, staking is another thing. You just taught me that. I didn't even know how that worked. All these different ways that you can use it, but it starts with that first step, and iCoin Pro really is the bridge to get a person from knowing nothing up to becoming really an expert, in cryptocurrencies. So I think that's super, super exciting. Yeah, the trading is phenomenal. I know a couple gentlemen that are on here have been using the micro profit system. I helped to develop the micro profit system. I risked my Bitcoin so that others could win. Fortunately, my risk paid off, and really, I mean, it's been tremendously successful for me with the trading. It's so rewarding for me, Paul, to see other people applying the system and having the same results. Some people even better results. I mean, who can just really get in there. I mean, we have some people that, our vision is to almost have people who are or really have people who are going to become full-time cryptocurrency day traders trading on these markets, because they are vibrant, they are alive, and they are growing. That marketplace hit its highest ever again in the past week, surpassing over $120 billion, which that sounds like a lot of money, Paul. But when you consider that the Forex, the foreign exchange markets, which have to do with currencies worldwide, are doing trillions of dollars a day, and we're only 120 plus billion right now, doing about 3 to 5 billion per day, there is so much room for growth. So if anybody feels like they missed the Bitcoin or cryptocurrency trade, you believe the train hasn't even left the station. Okay, Paul's just making the roadmap to possibly plan where the station's going to go. That's where we are right now. We're like nowhere. So we're getting there. And anybody who's on this call, listen, guys, take this super seriously. Okay, this aspect of learning how to properly invest, trade, do all the different things you can do with cryptocurrencies to maximize your results and your profits there through applying what you learned in iCoin Pro, to the fact that you can actually refer people to iCoin Pro and develop a supplemental income, and we'll even pay you in Bitcoin, which is an appreciating asset, is just insane. I mean, it's just insane. So, I really hope that everybody that's here tonight, there's a button below this video you can click on, okay? And that's, you click on that button, it's gonna take you through, give you another informational video, you fill out your information, and then you're gonna be put into what's really kind of fun, our Powerline system. We have like kind of a cool, quirky marketing system that puts you in, and it shows you other people coming in, and it even helps put a couple people under you in your business to get started that you actually will earn on every single month through the Powerline. Paul's going to talk about this. So there's just so much win going on here with this company in what we're doing. And anyway, Paul, I'm like totally off track. Let me bring it back to you here before I just get totally nuts with all this, because I'm just excited. And with what we're creating with the app and everything else that's coming, I'm like a kid on Christmas morning every single day right now.